Alright guys, this is about as bad as it gets. Alright, new sales guy went out and sold the job. Maybe you shouldn't have, maybe you should have. That'll be open for debate for years. But let's see what we got. We got some shit. We got some really rough. It's rough. I got some guys that are really pissed off. Why did we take this job? We should have never have taken this job. But, you know, we'll see. We'll see what it's like. We got some really that's pretty bad. But, so we got the scarifier out here. And we're gonna grind all this stuff down. So, yeah, let's go. Alright guys, here we are, finished product. Now some of you may remember this. If you watched the videos, you remember this thing was an absolute nightmare. But today, we finished it up. Customers ecstatic. Very happy.